Hello friends, welcome to Squared Plans. I'm Stephanie and today we're going to be setting up our health goals for 2022. And I've got this Micron fine liner ready to go, as well as these washi tapes I may use, these rub-on transfer letters that I like, and these sticker books which I'll pull from. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and lay down some wax paper here. I usually use this over my spreads when I'm doing my weekly plan with me's, but we're going to go ahead and use the same one just to cover up the one sheet here for my goals. And I'm going to use the same sort of format I did last year, although I didn't do a video on it last year, so this will be the first time you're seeing a video on it. It'll be a little bit different, not exactly the same, but I really liked the format, the kind of signage format style that I did last year. And since I didn't really get to use it to its fullest capacity last year, I had some great goals, but I just really did not achieve them in any way, shape, or form. I am going to give it another shot this year. And so I'm going to go ahead and put down some of these like arrow boxes from the Happy and Kind sticker book. And then I'm going to also put down some of these circle dot stickers from the Happy Plan sticker book. These are both things that I did exactly the same last year, or very similar last year. So the styling will look pretty much the same as far as that goes. And just trying to figure out the color scheme here because the colors that I'm using on the inside of this insert are mainly like pinks to oranges, yellow, and then a green. I don't want to bring in too much blue, and I also want to kind of taper down the purples and things like that too, which aren't really in the color scheme I'm using on the inside. Last year I used some nice black boxes that I had in my stash, but I am fresh out of black boxes. I really need to get another colorful box of sticker book, or maybe if you guys have a suggestion for a small shop that does just black boxes, leave it in the comments below and I'll see about maybe getting some from them. Yeah, I've really exhausted all of the colorful boxes. I really use them all the time. They're so handy for planning. They just add a little pop of color and work great for, brightening up a spread, but keeping it functional. So last year I did, like I said, this signpost idea, which you're going to see me do. Last year it was a little bit less purposeful the way I did it. This year I really want the circle stickers to kind of highlight those areas where I am putting in goals. So for example, the dream, I want that to be with the goal that is more of kind of like my dream goal. And then I'm going to skip one and then go to action, and then that's going to be more of my action-based goal. And then the bottom one is just going to be my like overall end goal. In between I'll have the plan and the vision stickers is kind of leading me towards the end result. Even though these goals aren't really leading into each other per se, which you'll see at the end, I just kind of liked that idea that those stickers inhabited the goal as far as what needed to be done. So I'm just using a little bit more of this washi tape. This washi tape is from the Happy Planner. I got it in a set, I think in a black only skinny washi set back a few years ago now. But I really love it with the combination of the rub-on transfer stickers that I've got from the Dollar Tree. I think that it just really matches the shadowing it has there and it's just a good fit for this spread. I'm also using washi tape from the Happy Planner, which I used on the inside as well. And it's got this color scheme, like I said, from the pink and green, orange and yellow are the main tones. I really wanted to pull that in again here on the cover, and then I'll have some more of that on the back side once I figure out exactly what I want to do back there. I also use some of these Healthy Hero stickers on the inside as well for added decor. I also wanted to bring in some color. I am going to put them here, and again, I'll probably use them on the back page as well, just so the whole insert feels like one cohesive piece. If you haven't seen the insert setup video, I will link it here as well as in the description below, so you can go check that out and see how the inside looks, and then build one out with me if you so desire. And now I'm back in the Happy and Kind sticker book, just looking to see if there's anything else I want to add in here. Thinking some black quotes would be really nice, just to tie in a little bit more of the black. So I'm going to go ahead and take a look and see what we have. And I like this hustle for your happiness, so we'll start with that. And let's see what else we have. Maybe one of these quotes would be good to start off my goals section here, this happy and healthy, since I don't think I have enough letters to actually put in health goals. And then a couple of quotes maybe to balance things out. I got that "you got this" in the corner, and maybe focus or something else maybe next to the pink and orange stickers. Just again, I want to add in a little bit more black. And I'll pull this simplify one as well, since there's not too many to choose from. So I think I like this. Let's go ahead and start moving things over. I think the first thing I'm going to start with is the circle stickers here on the washi tape. And I just want to make sure everything's centered up, nice and straight. And then I will align the individual goal boxes next to the circles I mentioned before. Again, I really liked the way that it kind of looked like a signpost last year, so we're going to do that again this year, and you can kind of see it coming together here. So in those colorful boxes that I've stuck over the arrow stickers, that's where I'm going to put the main goal, and then below it I'm going to put some action items to help me get to that goal. Just some things I should be focusing on that will help me achieve the goal at hand. And just trying to decide if I really want this washi tape where I had it, so trying it out at the bottom, but decided that I did like it there, like I had on the wax paper. And there you guys can get a little glimpse of what it looks like on the inside. So I cut that down. And not sure about that other washi tape, so let me go ahead and set in these other items first, and then I'll decide if I really want it there. So with these rub-on transfers, they're really awesome. They really give like a printed on look without having to do that. A little bit better than a sticker does, but it does take a little bit more setup because of the rubbing technique that you have to do just to kind of release the letter from the backing. But I got these for $1 from the Dollar Tree. It only comes with one sheet, and I bought 2 of them, thankfully, so that I could use them because I really liked this styling in particular. And oops, I kind of shifted that one a little too fast and it broke, but as you can see, it's pretty easy to seal it back up and fix any mistakes. So I had 2 of them, and that made it a little bit easier for me to do this whole insert with those letters so that I could spell out all the words I needed to. And just dropping in that washi tape I decided on. And now the rest of these decor items. Kind of did it in a rainbow fashion going down, so it matched up with the circle stickers. I liked how that turned out, instead of being a mismatch collage of different colors. The color scheme worked, I think, visually a little bit better. And because I don't trust myself, I'm going to pencil in the goals first. I'm going to pencil in the goals first and then write over them with my fine liner that I pulled earlier. So I'm just writing in the top goals, like I said. So for my dream goal, it is to lose 30 pounds or more. I haven't been that light in many years. So if I could actually achieve a full 30 pounds, that would be awesome. But, you know, I would be happy with 20, just some progress. It's been a struggle since COVID to lose any weight. I really miss my gym. So that is a big dream goal for me. My action goal is to get stronger. I haven't been lifting as much as I had planned to this year, so I really want to get back on track with heavy lifting and just doing the things that might be required to really grow some muscle and get stronger. And then my last one is to improve my wellness, and that is a constant battle of mine with my chronic allergies and asthma, so I'm just hoping through diet and supplementation I can achieve that goal. So that is my 3 items I'm going to be focusing on for 2022. And I've just put down line items below each one that are ways to help me achieve the goals above. So eliminating sugar, walking daily, following a plan, meal prep, and eat to live for my lose 30 pounds or more. And then for the get stronger, I've got lift heavy, add vegan protein, changing things up regularly, being consistent, and following a plan and planning it out. And then finally, for my improved wellness, I've got taking vitamins, juicing and doing more smoothies for nutrients, decreasing my meds, eating clean, and looking for solutions. So that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up down below. Go ahead and leave me a comment if you'd like to get in touch, and think about subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, if you'd like to see more of my videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and we'll see you next time. Bye!